Name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn the introduction of algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letter and symbols to represent the number and the quantity, whatever, in equation form or in a formula form. So these letters are called variable. Okay. For example, if I say I have a number and if I add 3 to it, I get 7. So this is a statement. How to write in algebraic form this one? It means I have a number which is unknown, I don't know. So unknown number we write in algebra as an x or any letter. Okay, and if I add 3, so plus 3, it become 7. So this form is called algebraic form. Clear? We have some other things in algebra which is very important. For example, x. What is x? X is variable. What is variable? Variable is a letter, okay, that represent a value, okay, and it is or it can be changed. It can change. For example, 3 is a permanent number. You cannot change the value of 3. X can be. Now in this question, what is x? X is 4 because 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the value of x is 4. If they say a number plus 3 equal 10, so what will be x? X will be 7. So like that, x can change. Any number it can take depend upon the questions. So that's why x is a variable. Variable means something able to change. Vary mean change, able mean something able to change. So that is called variable. Then after variable we have a constant. We have what? Constant. Constant is a fixed value. Is a fixed value. For example, here 3 is a fixed value, cannot be changed. So something has a fixed value, that is called a constant. Clear? Look at the another thing in algebra which is very important to know, that is term. What? Term. Term is a single number, is a single number or variable, okay, is a single number or is a variable. Okay, how? For example, x plus 9. So here are two terms are adding each other. X is a term. Which term? Variable. 9 also a term. Which term 9 is it? 9 is a constant. So something able to change, that is a variable. Something is fixed, which is constant. So it add two terms. Okay, some two terms are adding. So x is a variable term and 9 is a constant. Okay, then we have something else. It can be written in this form. It can be written something, for example, 3x. It is one term. 3 is multiplying with x, so it is one term. So we say if one term we say it is monomial. Okay, if it is there are two terms for x square plus 6. So now they are two, this is one term together because they are if multiplying, it means it is one term. Dividing also one term. If it is plus or minus, then it tells us how many terms are there. So now there are two terms. So if two terms, we say binomial. If there are two terms, we say binomial. Okay, if there are three terms, 2x cubed minus 7x plus 2. So if there are three terms, we say trinomial. Okay, if there are more terms, for example, 5x power 4 plus 6x power 3 plus 9x minus 10. So if there are more terms, more than 3, mean 4 terms, 5 terms, we say polynomial. We say it is a polynomial. I hope you understand about the terms. Okay, we know these are the terms. Okay, the types of terms. Then one term, as I wrote in the beginning, 4x square, it is a term, it is a monomial. So this one term, it has three parts. Number one, for something multiplying with variable, something multiplying with variable, we say it is a coefficient. So something multiplying with variable, that is because x is variable, we already know, as I told you in the beginning. So something and on the top of the x, which is power, we say exponent. Understand? So one term, it has three parts. Something multiplying, which is called coefficient. Something has power, that is exponent, and the latter is called variable. Okay, then if some terms are together, some terms are together, for example, it is 3x minus 7. So there are two terms together, two or more terms are together, they are connected with each other by using plus or minus sign, we say these are expression. So this is whole is called expression. Clear? So if any expression has one term, we say it is monomial. If it has two terms, we say it is binomial. If it has three terms, we say trinomial. 4 terms we have. So if some numbers are connected with each other with plus or minus sign, so that is expression. So these are the types of expression. These are the types of expression. Let me write for you types of expression. Okay, of expression. So one term monomial, two terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial, more terms, or sometimes some people are saying 3 terms also polynomial. So today we learned what is algebra, what is a variable, what is term, what is constant, what is coefficient, what is exponent, and the types of expressions. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. You have the basic information about algebra. So continue watching my videos, you will learn more about algebra inshallah. Take care, see you with the next video.